how to use the Source In blend composition mode, how to use Source In VSDC. Tune in and he will tell you how. Source In takes whatever object you want to use and it'll put it inside of a shape. That's one way to use it. Now you see I've drawn on here an ellipse. It doesn't matter what color your ellipse is or what color your shape in. It can be an ellipse, a free shape, or rectangle, just so long as the background is transparent. And you know, when you make ellipses, the background's actually transparent. If you look around the outside of it here, inside of the container, you see on these four corners, you see the black, which is the black background. That's not actually a part of the ellipse. The ellipse is transparent. And that would be the same case if you use a free shape. If you use the rectangle, you wouldn't be able to see that, but nevertheless, the background of it is transparent. Let me bring this up. We're going to use this video right here. Copy it, paste it in there. We're going to put it right there. And there it is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our video covers our shape, which is the ellipse. I'm going to drag out the corners. And then now, I don't even have to worry about shortening the video because it's going to be the same length of the shape of the ellipse. But what I need to do is come over here, because you see that my boat, even though it says ellipse up here, it's actually the video. Okay, and come over here to where it says blend. Click that arrow right there and come up to Source In. And I click that and the video is going to go inside of the shape. Alright, so that's how that is done. And you see what's happening is just like I told you in the other video. Blend modes work by using the shared space of the objects. And the shared space of the objects is where the ellipse and where the boat covers. That's one of the uses for Source In. And the next one I'm going to show you is really the same thing. So let me delete this. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a text and show you how to put the video inside of a text using Source In. So let's make a text object right now. We come over here to the objects toolbar and drop down the text. Click on text from the cursor position or from the start of the scene, whichever we like. It's the same thing. And then we click on OK and draw our text box. And we're going to make our text. We're going to say VSDC. Let's double click there, highlight my text, come back up here to the font type, choose my font, which I'm going to use Wide Latin right there. Okay. Resize my font. No. Yeah. There we go. VSDC. There we go. And now let's double click on that text. Find the object that we want to put in there, which is this one here. Let's copy it, paste it. Let's copy it and paste it in there. And you see it looks like that, bro. What we want to do is come over here and stretch it. So it's already selected. And we'll come down here to where it says stretch image. It says no. We're going to come down here, click the arrow next to it and click yes. And it stretches. And like I said, you don't have to worry about any color because it's the shape that it's going to take. It's going to take the shape of the VSDC text that we made. So we come over here where it says blend, click on blend, well, click on the arrow next to blend, and we click Source In. Now, if you want to export that like that, you're going to have a black background behind it. And you can actually use that in the project. And if you want the black, you want to move the black background, you can. But the problem with this is if you do, then you'll remove the black that's in the video. So what you want to do then is you want to come back to scene, and I showed you this before, but I'm going to show it to you again just as a reminder for you. You can come back over here and you can either change the project background. I think the last time I showed you the scene background. So this time let's change our project background. And we'll come over here and we're going to make our project background transparent. We're down here where it says opacity level over here in the properties box. Come over there. It says 100 right now. And we're just going to left click it. I could use the arrows, but I'm going to type the numbers in and do that. And the background of it is now transparent. So now we can just export that video. And it'll export with a transparent background. But let's show you how we do that. Okay, we came over here to projects. Come over here to export, the rocket ship right here. Export project. Come down here, change name, so we put it where we want it to go at. We're going to name that exported video. Exported vid. Good. Okay, and then we're going to save that. Go over here to PC. And let's export it as a MOV file and see what happens. Okay, we export it as a MOV file. Come down here to edit profile. And we got Pong lossless right there. So where it says video codec, we got Pong lossless. I think the other time I exported it as an AVI, but this time we're going to do this one here. Okay, so we can come down here and hit apply profile. And we're going to export it and see what we got. And it's exporting real fast here. It's only going to take a minute. There it is. Then we come down here and click OK. Come over here and look at it. In fact, let's go back to project and see what that looks like. If I play it in here, see, play it as a transparent background. Now, if I come over here and bring it up, and there it is, exported video. Let's play it. And of course, like I said before, you're going to see it as a video with a black background because players don't play it like that. So let's bring it into VSDC and see what it looks like. Let's copy it and paste it. Copy it and paste it in there. Come back over here. Let's turn all this off. Turn that off. And paste it in there, and we see that it has a transparent background. Alright. That video has a transparent background. So it's as simple as that. Source In puts the video inside of a shape. It doesn't matter what the shape's fill color is, just so long as the background is transparent and your video would go inside of it. I hope I was able to explain this to you clearly and you understand what we did here. You think you can understand what that did there?
Yep.
All right, fantastic. And I'm sure everybody else will be able to understand it too. I'll come back again for some more interesting VSDC information. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.